One major concern as the largest storm approaches are mudslides, especially in burn scars. And today, crews in Placer County were in Colfax prepping burn scars from the river fire that burned around 2,600 acres through the month of August.
A different kind of preparation being done in the valley. In Stockton, Caltrans busy clearing mud and other debris to avoid flooding.
And we have team coverage tonight. ABC 10's Van 2 is live in Sacramento, where thousands of athletes are scheduled to race an Ironman in just a few days.
But first, meteorologist Tracy Humphrey is tracking the latest conditions.
Well, you know what? When you showed that video at the beginning of the newscast showing that big rig and showing that huge accident, that is exactly my concern as we move to the next 4 to 5 days. The opportunity for multiple rounds of rainfall, heavy at times, the opportunity for some heavy snowfall. It's going to make for treacherous driving. So if you are going to be traveling, make sure you know the weather before you hit the road. Take a look at this. We are looking at rain showers. They're going to be picking up in intensity as we move into the overnight as well as into tomorrow morning. And we've been looking at those showers throughout the day today. How much have we picked up so far? Well, close to 1/2 inch in Auburn, close to 3/10 inch in Placerville, as well as in the Sacramento area. But there's a lot more on the way. Low pressure system way off British Columbia showing the opportunity for a cold front to be coming through the area. That's going to help transition the opportunity for scattered showers to widespread rainfall, which could be heavy at times. With the opportunity for some heavy bands of rainfall, we do have a concern for debris flows and mudslides, especially where we had the Dixie Fire and parts of the North Complex Fire. That's where you need to be prepared to evacuate because, again, those debris flows are possible. And bear in mind that debris flows typically occur within 15 minutes of heavy rainfall. So here's what it looks like outside right now. Temperatures in the 60s, 62 in Sacramento, 63 in Stockton, 62 in Modesto, 50 degrees in Tahoe as we look out toward the Gilmore backyard. And again, those temperatures today still a little bit cooler than average. Coming up, we're going to be taking a look at the biggest storm that's expected to get here late in the weekend and which parts of our viewing area could see 7 to 10 inches of rainfall. Yeah. It's going to be a big, long series of storms. We'll take a look at that in just a few moments.
Tracy, thank you. Late today, Sacramento County activated its severe weather respite program and will start issuing hotel vouchers to the homeless. It comes as ABC 10's Barbara Bingley went to the homeless camp already inundated with water. One person needed medical attention, and many people are in need of camping gear and dry clothing.
This is an issue of life and death. In January, we had 6 homeless people die during the storm.
Now, if you'd like to find out how you can help, head to our website, abc10.com. Where our team coverage continues now with ABC 10's Van 2.
Yeah, the question is, will the Ironman go on even with this incoming rain? Van.
Aside the physical demands of finishing a triathlon, Philip Hutchinson of New York City says the thing that fuels his love for the sport is the mental challenge.
At some point you find out things about yourself you had no idea. And it's like a constant discovery because every race is different.
With 20 years of racing under his belt, he says rain and wind doesn't change his outlook for Sunday's Ironman event in the capital city.
It makes it even harder, I would say. But, you know, at that point of difficulty, a little bit more, a little bit less,
More than 3,000 athletes will race 140.6 miles, including a 2.4-mile swim from the American River to the Sacramento River, a 112-mile bike ride to the Delta, and back to Sacramento for a full marathon through downtown.
It's been so long since we've been together as athletes and racing and as a community in Sacramento at an event. So really it's going to be, in a way, almost a rain day.
Race officials say they expect wet weather, but at this point it's not enough for them to cancel.
They always make the right call, you know, for athletes' safety.
That was our Van 2 reporting. Make sure to download the ABC 10 app for all your weather and traffic updates. You can track the storm right along with us, and you can also get hourly forecasts for your neighborhood.